discuss about the structure of the excretory system. Structure of the excretory system. Excretory system. Simple definition for this one is elimination of nitrogenous waste from the bodies. This is the process is known as excretion. The process of elimination of the nitrogenous waste materials. This is the process is excretion. So one more definition is there. According to the biologist, they said all the metabolic activities are involved for the removal or the elimination of the unwanted materials from the organism's body. This process is known as excretion. See, in this excretion of completion of all the metabolic activities, some unwanted materials or some nitrogenous waste materials are generated. These nitrogenous waste materials are there, but major nitrogenous waste materials are ammonia, urea and uric acid. These three are the major or important nitrogenous waste materials. See, about these waste materials, based on this we are going to discuss about different types of the nitrogenous waste materials in our animal kingdom. First one, protozoans. See, the protozoans eliminates ammonia as a chief excretory substances through the plasma membrane. Through their plasma membrane, the diffusion process. So in protozoans, elimination of the nitrogenous waste materials like ammonia with the help of through the plasma membrane of the body. So the process is diffusion. And coming to the next one, in poriferan animals are sponges. Nitrogenous waste material is ammonia. It eliminates these nitrogenous waste materials through the plasma membrane also. In these animals, the water canal system is also responsible for the elimination of the nitrogenous waste materials. And coming to the next one, that is coelenterata. In coelenterata animals, they eliminates ammonia as a chief excretory substances through the plasma membrane, and the process is also diffusion process. Diffusion process. In these animals, the gastrovascular cavity also involved for the elimination process. And the next one is platyhelminthes animals. In platyhelminthes animals, first triploblastican animals, platyhelminthes animals, they eliminates the ammonia as a chief excretory substances with the help of the solenocytes. Are protonephridia. First excretory organs seen in platyhelminthes animals. First excretory organs are solenocytes or the protonephridia. The primary function of the protonephridia are the solenocytes to maintain the osmotic balance, whereas the secondary function of these excretory organs are excretion. This is about the platyhelminthes animals. And coming to Nematihelminthes, and the next phylum. In Nematihelminthes, the excretory product is ammonia. They eliminates the ammonia with the help of the Renneti cells. Renneti cells are the excretory organs in Nematihelminthes animals. And the next one, Annelida. In Annelida, mostly ammonia. They eliminates these nitrogenous waste materials like ammonia with the help of the nephridia. Nephridia are the excretory organs in Annelida. And coming to Arachnida. In Arachnida, they eliminate xanthophyll and uric acid, ammonia and guanine. So these are the excretory products in Arachnida. In Arachnida, the excretory products are xanthophylls and guanine, uric acid and ammonia. In these animals, the excretory organs are Malpighian, glands, coxal glands, Malpighian glands are the Malpighian body, and the coxal glands. These are the excretory organs in Arachnida. And the next one is now crustaceans. Crustaceans eliminates ammonia, and in these animals, antennary glands, Malpighian tubules. These are the excretory organs. Green glands are the excretory organs in crustaceans. And coming to mollusca. In molluscan animals, and here one more, in insecta, in terrestrial region, urea and ammonia are the excretory products in insecta. Now in molluscan animals, they eliminates ammonia as a chief excretory substances. Here metanephridia. These are the excretory organs in molluscan animals. And in echinodermata animals, they eliminates ammonia, and major excretory organ in these animals are tube feet, and water vascular system is also involved for these excretory organs in echinodermata animals. Hemichordata. Excretory product is ammonia. In hemichordata animals. In these hemichordata animals, the excretory organs are proboscis glands. proboscis glands in hemichordata. In urochordata animals, excretory product is the same ammonia. In these animals, excretory organs are neural glands or subneural glands. Neural glands and subneural glands are the excretory organs in urochordata animals. In cephalochordata animals, the excretory product is the same ammonia. In these animals, solenocytes are protonephridia. These are the excretory organs in cephalochordata animals. In fishes or Pisces, excretory organs in some animals ammonia, in some animals urea. So here in these animals, the respiratory organs in fishes, the bony fishes eliminates ammonia as a chief excretory product, whereas the cartilaginous fishes eliminates urea as a chief excretory product, and amphibians eliminates urea as a chief excretory product with the help of the kidneys. Reptiles, this is urea and ammonia. Example, tadpole fishes. I told you about the tadpole fishes. In reptiles, this eliminates uric acid as a chief excretory product with the help of the kidneys. Aves eliminates uric acid with the help of the kidney. And mammals, they eliminates urea as a chief excretory product with the help of the kidney. So this is about the organisms. The excretory organs are gills and kidney. In amphibians, these are the excretory organs. Here some important points are there. In amphibians, example, frog. In frog, whereas in tadpole larva stage of the frog, they eliminates ammonia as a chief excretory product, where these tadpole larva, when it comes into the adult stage, they eliminates urea as a excretory product. See, in lungfishes, where these organisms in water or in summer season, these are the excretory products are ammonia. When it is in mud, that is the urea is the excretory product. In sharks also, they store the urea for the maintains the osmolarity. So many things are there. This is about the excretory organs and excretory products in different organisms. Crustaceans, ammonia, antennary glands, Malpighian tubules, gills, green glands, mollusca, metanephridia, echinodermata, tube feet, and water vascular system. Hemichordata, proboscis glands, urochordata, neural glands are the subneural glands, and cephalochordata, same as the platyhelminthes animals, that is solenocytes are the protonephridia, and fishes, gills, kidney, amphibians, two mammals, all these are the excretory organs were kidneys. So this is the evolution of the excretory organs in different organisms.